graduates, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. On behalf of the Council of the University of Melbourne, it gives me great pleasure to welcome you to this graduation ceremony, an historic occasion for each of you in this fabulous historic building. Before we begin, I acknowledge the Wurundjeri people, the traditional owners of the land on which this ceremony is taking place, and I pay my respects to their elders, past, present, and future. Graduates, thank you for choosing to study at the University of Melbourne. We hope that you have enjoyed your time here and have embraced the educational, cultural, and social opportunities offered by university life. This is a very special day for all of you, and one that I have no doubt will give you fond memories in the years to come. Finally, I offer my heartfelt congratulations and sincere best wishes to every one of you graduating here today. You should be extremely proud of what you've achieved, and now it's time to take the next step in your story.